Hi friends, that's my buddy Chicken. His name's Buddy the Chicken, and he just wanted to make a quick appearance. So, if you're in this, hopefully you're trying to get to level 2, game 2. Level 2, game 2. Alright, so if that is indeed what you were looking for, you need to, if you don't have this game board yet, pause and go get the game board from your level 2 box and then come right back. Okay, so I'm going to assume that you and maybe your buddy has one game board. Y'all are going to share a game board. And then you need a pair of dice, just one set of dice. Okay? Now my dice happen to be 2 different colors. Okay? The color does not matter, friends. Okay? Just 2 different dice. Okay? And you're going to use one to represent your tens place and one to represent your ones place. But remember, if you don't have colored dice, that's fine. If they're both white dice, that's okay, whatever. As long as you got 2 dice. Okay? And you're each going to take a turn. When it's your turn, you're going to roll both the dice together. Okay? And you're going to use this strategy. Okay? It's called 1, 2, 3, drop it on the floor. Now notice, I'm pretty close to the surface. I'm not way up high. I'm going to shake them 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then drop it on the floor. Okay? Or maybe I'm working at a table. Maybe I'm working at a desk. Okay? Watch that again. 1, 2, 3. Drop it on the floor. The reason we do it that way is so that we don't send dice flying across the classroom. Because at least if you're in Miss Briscoe's class, if dice go flying across the classroom, we get grounded from games. So, if you're rolling your dice like this, you're not going to have to worry about getting grounded. Now, you're going to put one of the dice in the tens place, one of the dice in the ones place. This dice will tell me how many tens to get. Okay? So let's look. I see the number 4. That means I need to go get 4 tens. Okay? So, if you haven't already, go to wherever it is that your teacher keeps the base 10 blocks. Okay? In each class, it's probably different. In my class, it's in a drawer. I don't know what it's like in your class. And you're going to need to get, you're going to want 9 tens and 9 ones. Okay? 9 tens and 9 ones. So, here I've got my base 10 blocks. You can see my ones blocks. You can see my tens blocks. This one's telling me I need to get 4 tens. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's look at the dice for the ones place. I see the number 5. That's telling me to get 5 ones. All right, so let me get 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, you and your buddy are going to determine what number this is by skip counting by tens until you can't anymore, and then counting by ones. Let me model that process. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Once you have determined what number it is, you're going to clear off your board. Now it's your buddy's turn. So hand the dice to your buddy. All right, here comes my buddy. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, drop it on the floor. 1, 2, 3, drop it on the floor. Okay? Now, pick 1 to be your tens and 1 to be your ones. All right, so let's look at the tens place. I see the number 2, so I need to get 2 tens. 1 10, 2 tens. Okay. Over here in the ones place, hey look, it's the number 1. I need to get 1 ones. Now, buddies, it's time to determine what number this is. We got to figure out what's the number that has 2 tens and 1 1. So let's count by tens until we can't anymore. 10, 20, 21. All right. Now, once me and my buddy have decided that, yes, this is indeed 21, then I clear it off. Okay. Hand the dice to the buddy, and then my buddy goes. Okay. Now, There's no particular amount of time that you need to play this game. Okay? It's not, you know, unless your teacher tells you a specific time, okay? You're just going to play this game for a little bit, and then when you think it's been long enough, you're going to clean up all the way. You'll put your dice where they live. You'll put all of your base 10 blocks back in their home, wherever that might be in your classroom. Now this is a game that we do not write on. Okay? Other people need to be able to get to this board. So when you're finished, you've got to go put this back in your level 2 box in the game 2 pocket or folder, depending on how your teacher stores them. All right, guys, have fun making numbers with base 10 blocks. And I can't wait to see what you have to show us.